Join me as I dive deep into the world of Tilray stock and take on the challenge of predicting whether it's about to explode. Tilray Incorporated, or TLRY, is a household name in the cannabis industry, and for good reason. As one of the largest cannabis companies globally, Tilray has been making waves with its wide range of products and strategic acquisitions. But today, we're not here to talk about the company's products or business model. We're here to talk about its stock, and more specifically, whether it's about to explode. Tilray stock has been on a rollercoaster ride over the past year, and if you're an investor, you're probably feeling the ups and downs. Market volatility has been a major challenge for cannabis stocks in general, and Tilray is no exception. One day, the stock is up 10%, and the next, it's down 5%. It's enough to give you whiplash. But there are other factors at play here, too. Regulatory hurdles, for example, have been a major obstacle for cannabis companies looking to expand their operations. And let's not forget about the competition. With new players entering the market every day, it's getting harder and harder to stand out from the crowd. Another major challenge facing Tilray's stock is the lack of profitability. The company has been posting significant losses for quarters on end, and investors are starting to get nervous. Will the company ever turn a profit, or are we looking at a perpetual money pit? These are the kinds of questions that keep investors up at night. And finally, there's the issue of valuation. Is Tilray stock currently overvalued, or is it a bargain waiting to happen? These are all questions that we need to answer if we're going to accurately predict where the stock is headed. Recently, Tilray released its quarterly earnings report, and the results were mixed, to say the least. On the one hand, the company saw a significant increase in revenue, which is always a good thing. But on the other hand, the losses continued to mount, and investors were left feeling underwhelmed. So, what's going on here? Is Tilray's business model fundamentally flawed, or is this just a temporary blip on the radar? These are the kinds of questions that we need to answer if we're going to make sense of the stock's recent performance. But there's more to the story than just Tilray's financials. There are also broader market trends that we need to consider. For example, consumer demand for cannabis products is still growing at a rapid pace, and this could be a major tailwind for Tilray's stock. Additionally, there are signs that the regulatory environment is starting to shift, and this could be a major catalyst for the stock. With more and more countries around the world legalizing cannabis, the opportunities for Tilray to expand its operations are growing by the day. In recent weeks, Tilray has made several announcements that could be major catalysts for the stock. For example, the company recently launched a new line of CBD products, which could be a major revenue generator. Additionally, Tilray has been expanding its operations into new markets, including Europe and Latin America. These are the kinds of developments that could be major game changers for the stock, and we need to take them into account when making our predictions. But perhaps the most exciting development of all is Tilray's recent partnership with a major pharmaceutical company. This partnership could be a major revenue generator for Tilray, and it could also provide a major boost to the stock. With a partner like this on board, the possibilities are endless, and investors are starting to get excited. So, what does it all mean? Will Tilray's stock explode in the coming weeks and months, or will it continue to languish? There are certainly factors pointing in both directions, but if I had to put my money on it, I'd say the future is looking bright for Tilray. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Tilray's stock prospects in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more investment analysis videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.